Hey, what's up, everybody? PJH up in this. Today, we're going to do this little odd box here of 2023 Big League Baseball made by Topps. This is a hobby box. You're not guaranteed an auto. I think it's an auto one every other box. There we go. There's all kinds of stuff you can find in this product. So let's see if we can get anything. Yeah, the rookie autos are pretty cool and everything. And then there's a ton of short prints. So these retail for about $50 a box. I got this one for I think like $35 maybe. Yeah. Well, I got this and one of these over here, Topps Chrome boxes. They were at both. I came up to $65 delivered. So it was a good deal. So I couldn't pass it up. Now we shall open. Try to get one of those influencers cards. Get some good rookies. Maybe a nice rookie autograph. Here we go. This box break is not sponsored by Red Bull. Get your wings. Die early. All right, let's go. Pack number 1. It's like pointless to buy these in blasters. People buy these on blasters. I've seen them open a few blasters and not get just get garbage out of them. It's like, why? You could just spend $50 to get a hobby box. My name is, who is that? Kris Bryant. Carlos Rodon. See, I think these are rare when they got the rainbow foil. Okay. And then the colors are really rare. But they're extremely hard to pull. There's Oswaldo, Stowers, Bugero, Mookie Betts, and the 8-bit. Those are pretty sweet. There's a Jazz in that rainbow foil. I wonder if it says that in the back of the card. It does not. Justin Turner. Colton Wong. Let's bring it back a little bit. These guys are all up in my face. All up in my grill. Blade, Behringer, Jazz on the 8-bit. There's a nice Mountcastle. See, so this blue is even rarer. Rojas Bryce. And that's going to be Nolan Arenado on the blue. They're not numbered. No cards are numbered in this product. They're just colored. Yeah. Let's see here. For approximate odds, visit Topps.com. I've opened this before. Okay, uncommon. Rainbow foil is uncommon. The blue is a rare. So the red and the gold is what we're looking for. I've yet to hit those. Sorry about that. Okay. Ooh, the Mike Trout fishing. Look at that. That's cool. Lubritor on the rainbow foil. Rookie. Okay. A lot of cool inserts in this product. It's a good starter product for like kids or something. Juan Soto hitting them weights. Shane Bieber on the foil. All right, next pack. So let's hope we at least pull an auto. That'd be cool. Screwball. City Slickers. Juan Soto. Oh, there's a nice Tovar rookie and a rare. Julio. Julio. Yeah, that's a nice Tovar. So sleeve him up. Put him back there. Eloy Jimenez with the cool Southside City Slicker jersey. Waldichuk on the rainbow foil. That's a nice rookie. Yeah, hello, my name is Otani. And we got an auto, I believe. Okay, we got Kyle Tucker there. Contreras. All right. Opening act. Is this an auto? Don't tell me this is another Josh Young. Rangers. Wow. Look at that. And that is numbered. Wow. To 99. Oh, yeah, baby. Another Josh Young. He follows me. He follows me. Well, that was worth the box. Josh Young, numbered to 99. Green opening act. Look at that autograph. Beautiful. Heck to the yeah. So you get lucky on these boxes sometimes, man. Can't beat it. $35 or something for this. Shh. Duran. Who's this? That's Betts. DL Hall foil. I know some of these are short print too. Not this one. I don't think. DL Hall is another guy who unfortunately follows me. I think he follows everyone. Okay. Outman. He's not a rookie in here. Pujols, 8-bit. Jeremy Pena. There's Clark, the Cub. Greinke, Jimenez. All right. Let's look for some short prints. All right, there's Jeter. Joe Musgrove on the foil. Donaldson. I'll separate and sleeve these bad boys up later. Water, Swagger. See, there's a couple rookies right there. Morel, rookie card. Oh, this dude. McMahon, Papiet. All right, we'll put Morel. That's, what is that called? Fun box or something? I don't know what the hell kind of insert that is. There's Morel. Okay, this is filled. Let's see if someone gets bumped. Crawford. Lubob. Robete. Carlos Stanton on the silver. Austin Hayes. I think like Adley and Gunnar might be in this product. I think they even signed too, if I'm not mistaken. You could pull like Trout autograph, City Slickers Trout right there. Hunter Brown, rookie, foil. You could pull Ohtani autographs. You could pull Mike Trout. Who else is in there? Oh, I saw Bo Jackson. Someone pulled a Bo Jackson one. Who is that? Oh, that's Riley Green. No. Oh, it does have a rookie card logo right there. There's Miguel Vargas, rookie. Josh Naylor. All right, Riley, we'll get you sleeved up. You bump Nolan. I don't think Corbin Carroll is in here. I might be mistaken though. Salvador Perez. This is the big leaguer. There's Ozzy Albies. You scan that or something, it takes you and you scratch that off, and you can get your own big league card in 2024 release. Those are one per box, so you're guaranteed one of those. How sweet would it be if PJH is on a card? Bobby Witt, hey. Corbin Burns on the silver. There's Bobby. Yeah, them 8 bits are sweet. Okay, last pack. See if there's any life left. MJ, Garrett Mitchell. I'll take that. Who the is that? Jazz Chisholm. Oh, there's a Spencer Strider foil short print. Rare. The cool mustache. I'll take that. Heck yeah. Okay, so Spencer Strider there. I got a ton of rookies I got to go through in here. There's Nolan Arenado on the blue. There's Riley Green. Insert rookie. We got that funny ass Trout card. We got a City Slickers Trout. We got Mookie in the 8 bits. Bobby in the 8 bits. Christopher Morel, rookie. Jeter in the 8 bits. PC. Then we got Tovar on the short print. Rare rookie card. And check that out. Josh Young, numbered 14 out of 99. Autograph. Rookie card. So, there you go. You can find stuff in these cheap boxes too, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.